Don't know how to save presets in After Effects? Don't worry, I can help with that. So first, go to your edit and click Ctrl-Alt-Y. Or you can just apply the coloring on your clip. I'm doing coloring, by the way. Yeah, so I'm just gonna add my effects, and you can copy them if you want to. Deep Glow is a plugin, so you might not have it. But yeah, so when you're done with that, select all your effects. Hold Shift while doing it. Then go to Animations and save animation preset. Then make sure it's in After Effects, User Presets, and you can name the file anything you want. Then save. Then go to Effects and Presets and click on these three things and refresh list. Then go to Animation Presets and User Presets, and you can find your effect there or just search it up. Then you can apply it and it's there. You can see the difference. Whoa! And then basically the same thing is with position and shake effects. Select your shake or something, then repeat the same process. And there you have it. Basically, that's it. I hope this helped. And yeah, thank you for watching.